Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Robinhood Bank and whether or not they offer credit cards. Now, I know you might be wondering why this is even a question. After all, Robinhood is a well-known financial services company, and they offer a lot of different products and services. So, it would seem logical that they would also offer credit cards. However, the answer is not as simple as you might think. In fact, Robinhood Bank does not currently offer any credit cards. So, if you're looking for a credit card from Robinhood, you're out of luck. But don't worry, there are plenty of other great options out there. In the rest of this video, I'm going to talk about some of the reasons why Robinhood Bank doesn't offer credit cards, as well as some of the alternative options that you might want to consider. So, let's get started. Why doesn't Robinhood Bank offer credit cards? There are a few reasons why Robinhood Bank doesn't offer credit cards. One reason is that they are focused on providing simple and affordable financial services to their customers. Credit cards can be complex and expensive, so they don't fit into their business model. Another reason is that Robinhood is a relatively new company, and they are still focused on building out their core offerings. Credit cards are a complex product to offer, and they may not have the resources or expertise to do it well yet. Finally, Robinhood may be concerned about the risks associated with offering credit cards. Credit cards can lead to debt, and Robinhood may not want to be responsible for that. What are some alternative options to a Robinhood credit card? If you're looking for a credit card, there are plenty of other great options out there. Here are a few things to consider when choosing a credit card. Annual fee. Some credit cards have annual fees, while others do not. If you're on a tight budget, you may want to choose a card with no annual fee. Interest rate. Credit cards have different interest rates. The lower the interest rate, the better. Rewards. Some credit cards offer rewards, such as cash back, airline miles, or hotel points. If you're looking to earn rewards, you may want to choose a card that offers rewards that you can use. Other features. Some credit cards offer other features, such as travel insurance, rental car insurance, or extended warranties. If you're looking for a card with additional features, you may want to choose a card that offers those features. Here are a few specific credit card options that you might want to consider. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. This card offers a variety of rewards, including 5x points on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3x points on dining, and 2x points on all other travel purchases. Capital One Venture Rewards Card. This card offers 2x miles on all travel purchases, including flights, hotels, car rentals, and more. American Express Gold Card. This card offers 4x points at U.S. supermarkets, 3x points at U.S. gas stations and on flights, and 2x points on all other travel purchases. Ultimately, the best credit card for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. Be sure to do your research and compare different cards before making a decision. So, there you have it. Robinhood Bank does not currently offer credit cards. However, there are plenty of other great options out there. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.